For in this video, I will show you how you can make a post like this that gonna showcase the title of of the song, and you can there will also be the sound of the music. And for the sake of copyright, I have to mute everything up so I don't get copyrighted on in this video. So what you're gonna do first is that you just have to go to music. For example, style Taylor's version by Taylor Swift. Gonna click on that triple dots, and click on share song. And you're gonna scroll to the right until you find Instagram. Click on that, and after this you can customize it how you want. But here's the thing: you cannot add music. You cannot add a song to a story you shared from another app. So what you're gonna do is you just have to save it like that, and then you can add this plus button, and then you can just tap this and put music on it, style, and that's how you can do it. And easily. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.